Craving your favorite takeout but only have an Apple gift card? No problem, because today, we're showing you how to turn that Apple gift card into delicious DoorDash deliveries. First, let's redeem your Apple gift card. Open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Then, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You might be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. Now, you can either use your camera to scan the gift card or manually enter the code. Once redeemed, the funds will be added to your Apple ID balance. Great! Now open the DoorDash app. If you don't have it already, download it from the App Store. Go to your account settings within DoorDash and find payment methods. Make sure Apple Pay is enabled as a payment option. This links your Apple ID balance to DoorDash. Place your DoorDash order as usual at the checkout screen. Select Apple Pay as your payment method. You'll be prompted to authenticate with Touch ID, Face ID, or your passcode, and that's it. Your Apple ID balance will be used to pay for your DoorDash order. Now you can enjoy your favorite meals delivered right to your door, all thanks to your Apple gift card. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.